Hi, my name is Erica, and today we'll be going through week 2 of my Thankful 30 mini album. In case you missed week 1 or even the creation of this cute bound mini album, please check those videos out as well, as they were pretty fun. So for day 7, I am thankful for the autumn colors in Washington. As I mentioned in my past video, I'm trying to keep the approach to this project pretty simple and kind of an art journal approach, I guess, rather than a traditional scrapbooking one. I really like this approach so far because it's a little bit like a junk journal, and it's allowing me to be a little bit more artsy and use supplies that I normally wouldn't automatically reach for, like for example this leaf or all of the mini stamps that I've been using so far, which mostly do come from Felicity Jane. For day 8, I did mention that I am grateful for hiking in the Pacific Northwest. It is a completely different landscape that I grew up with, and it is absolutely stunning. For day 9, I mentioned that I was grateful for tea. It might seem pretty minimal, but it definitely added to my autumn experience, especially because I was feeling a little bit of a slump, I think maybe due to 2020. For the next day, I am grateful for the show, Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I created a little accordion book with some of my favorite moments of the show, and I mentioned how it was very uplifting, especially because it was on during my high school period, so it really helped with building my confidence as a female. For the next day, I mentioned that I am grateful for my hair, and even though it might seem a little superficial to mention that, it really goes deeper than that because it's more like a tool for me because it is thankfully so thick. I'm able to use it as a blanket and lots of other uses that might be surprising to some people. And finally, for day 12, I am grateful for this particular holiday memory. And I mentioned a little bit about how my parents' approach to the holidays might be a little bit different from others, and definitely made me reevaluate what I wanted to kind of continue throughout my life. So something a little bit different, not necessarily something positive, but it is real, and that is definitely something that I want to maintain throughout my album. I want to be very realistic, open, honest, and sincere. So that pretty much wraps it up. I'm just briefly going through the pages that I made. I will be making 2 more videos to wrap up the month of November. So far I've been having a lot of fun creating these unique elements. In case you watched the show Buffy the Vampire Slayer, maybe you recognize some of these moments as well. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick video. Please leave me a comment, say hello, I'd love to hear from you, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!